I'm just going to hit up this construction site down Belgrave Road. I think I'll be able to sit on the edge as well, which would be sick. Yesterday I hit up this mad construction site, which is an abandoned hotel that's under construction. The video will probably be out before this because I have to edit that one first. Get that one edited, and then edit this one, and then get that one out as well. So if you're watching this, you'll be able to watch that one if you've not already watched it. Probably like 20 minutes, and I hit up this insane construction site. It's like an abandoned hotel. It's like a really fucking tall one. It's the tallest one I've ever been on. And it's under construction, and I climbed up the ladders and I got in. I set off 2 alarms while doing it as well. The construction site is fairly close to my house as well. It's only like a short walk. There's also this fucking building, like right here. I want to hit that one up, but I have no idea how to get up. It's like this abandoned door, right here. Wait, right here, it's like this, innit? And it's just abandoned, the door. And there's a staircase that goes up. And then I know that leads to the roof, because I was on the side of the roof and I could see from there that it does indeed lead up to the roof. I'm just heading up to the construction site now. Gotta climb up. Let's just explore the place. We'll sit on the edge and all that, you know what I'm saying? Yo, gotta climb up the. Oh shit, that looks more difficult than I first thought. That was easy. Whoa, that is dark. This takes us. Oh, you can barely see, can't you? Whoa. What the fuck? There's loads of stuff in here. Wow. Seasons. Oh damn, I'm gonna get lost in here. It's a maze. There's another entire hallway down here. Whoa, weird. See if I find anything cool. This is the second floor, by the way, so we still need to go to the first floor. So I wasn't about to take that drop. Oh, stairs are here. Oh, look at that balance. I might get some photos in here, because this is fucking scary. Look. Creepy. Wow, sickening. Whoa, okay, we got some photos. I'll be putting that on my Instagram for sure. Alright, let's go down to the first floor. No problem. I hope this looks better on the recording. Damn. It's dusty in here. Dust. Some kind of elevator shaft. Oh, there's a bar at the top there. Damn. There's a bar at the top. Mess room. And the main entrance is probably just found. Whoa. Sick. Yeah, main entrance is just here. Got a bar here. Do some pull-ups if we wanted to. This shit ain't alarmed at all. I'm surprised. Let's find our way to the 3rd floor. Well, okay. Hope them sirens aren't for me. It's a big drop already. There's a bar there. Oh, that's fucking no. Please. Oh my god. Have I actually gone in the back rooms? Why did I hit this up? I can get some photos of these rooms. There's this creepy ass room. Big echo as well. Got a jacket, it's like chairs and shit in here. Let's sit down. Whoa. I feel like it's actually better than I thought. Okay. I think I've got enough pictures now. If I did want more pictures, I could hide these. Let's put this on. Gotta look like I'm meant to be in here. Rocking the high vis and that. Yeah, rocking the high vis. You know what I'm saying. There is this balcony area. Even higher balcony as well. Doorways and shit mostly. Leading into endlessly more rooms. Let's get up to the 4th. There's another floor after this. And this is where the hang is. Let's explore this and I might do that hang. Let's see. There's some fucking creepy hallways. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god, this is creepy. Look at this hallway. My reel's gonna blow up on my photography if I do this. Jesus Christ. Whoa. Alright, we're on the last floor now. I just went up the stairs. There's an attic here. Maybe getting that. And I was right about being able to get in the window, because look. Whoa. Walking on the edge. Living life on the edge. This is how it is, boys. Yes, then. Whoa. It's so dark you can't even see the fucking end of it. Yeah. Let's get back to that window before the wind fucking shuts it. Get out of this fucking room. Actually, I'll get some photos up here first. Alright, I got some videos on my for my Instagram. Because this construction site. Oh shit, broken the window. No, I think it's fine. Mustard in the corner. What the fuck's that? Oh, it's probably good. They need to fucking start doing this construction site. Look at this, none of it's fucking built, is it? Oh, I probably shouldn't have done that. Fucking story draft. Yo. That is actually insane. Let's get this Vizzy off if we get it on. Just leave it there. Let's fucking climb out of here then before I get fucked by some workers. See you in a bit. Just so you know how high that hang was. See, can you see the ground there? Just barely. Now look up there. That's where the bar is. All the way up there. And the ground, you can see it's just there. I'm zoomed in, so look. Look, the ground is there. Bar is there. Oh my fucking god. What am I doing? I should do that up there. Fuck it now. Alright, you can click off the video now if you want, but I'm just gonna have a go at hitting up this roof. click off now if you want, because that construction site is the main bit of the video. If I can't get up, which I probably won't be able to, I'll just do it in another video. It's fine. See if we can get up.